Hello, I'm Philip Stoten for EMSNow. I'm here at Semicon West in San Francisco, and I'm joined by Daniel Schultze on the Tresky booth.
Correct.
Daniel, thanks for taking the time to join me.
Thank you.
Start by telling me a bit about the company and the products.
Yeah, our company is a Swiss-based company. We were founded in 1980, 33 years ago. We are, we have been the king of the manual die bonding machine. That was what we called before. And now we changed also to semi-automated machines and fully automated machines, which we have here, the T6000. It's an open platform for a die bonding machine. So we can switch the machine very quickly from epoxy bonder to a eutectic bonder, ultrasonic bonder within minutes. We are focused on the R&D departments, university, and low volume. Because our throughput is, well, I would say between 600 and 900 on this guy, and we have a second one where we can do 2,500 dies per hour. But this is still low volume if we are talking about production.
Yeah, and in terms of R&D, is that more relevant here in California than perhaps in some of the volume markets like Asia?
Well, California is a very important market for us, as well as the East Coast, Boston and New England, Massachusetts, like this one. This is, well, the market where we are focused on.
Okay, and in terms of the product, is it a brand new product to the market this year, or has it been there for a while?
It was introduced 2 years ago, but this is the first year to the North American market to introduce the machine. We started with Europe, now we are trying to promote this system to the United States within this year for the Semicon West show and then for the IMF show. I hope to get some positive feedback.
Okay, and what kind of install base do you have in Europe at the moment?
We do have a couple of installations. Unfortunately, I cannot give you all the names because we sign NDAs for that one. But I can say this is serial number 35. So
yeah,
we have a couple of in the last 2 years.
Okay, and we're pretty early into the show, but what's the response been like from the American customers?
Yeah, I'm very happy. We had a couple of, already this morning, a couple of customers. They are very serious interested. We will get some samples, we will make some samples for them, some videos, and then we will follow up on them. Some good applications, some nice people out there.
Right. And what's the overall market like at the moment in terms of the R&D side of the semicon market? Is it picking up?
Well, for us it's excellent. Since the last 12 months, we cannot say that we see any downturn. We are still on a high level.
Okay, and do you think that's because you are in the R&D side, the NPI side, rather than in the volume side?
Yeah, that's definitely because we are on the R&D side, and we can offer from very manual to fully automated system, so we can cover all the R&D interests, and we can be very modular and flexible. I think this is the goal for us.
Yeah, that's the play, isn't it? And in terms of the global market, we already mentioned Europe, we mentioned the US. What about Asia? What's going on there for you?
Asia is a very big market, so especially China, Singapore, and Taiwan. A little Japan, but they are more focused on the manual side, not on the automatic, because they have a lot of these big players in Japan. So, but yeah, I would say Singapore, Taiwan, and China.
Yeah,
quite good.
Some good, strong opportunities there.
Correct.
Daniel, thanks for chatting to me. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Good luck with the rest of the show. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have
a good time.